Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video I'm going to discuss about my monthly positional option strategy which we are using based on our advanced options trading strategy. So we linked our strategy along with that Google sheet and how many trades which we got it this month and that details which we are going to discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn more about the positional trading strategy, just ping me in the WhatsApp number which shown on this video. So this month we are talking about a monthly positional. So like these are all the opportunities which triggers and some of the trades which achieved our target and some of the options which is given you more profit. That means it is higher than our entry point. So in this list, not all the stocks we are going to take an entry. Only it is satisfied our conditions and based on our strategy and how many stocks. In even our live session, we find some of the opportunities that was working good. And it is a positional trade. We have a target and a stop loss for the trade. And as a positional, we have a higher target and a higher stop loss. At the same time, we have some hedging strategies also. So maybe you can apply any one of the strategy as per your convenience based on the course. And as of now, one of the strategy, the naked strategy, positional basis, we are looking out. I'm just recording in a live market today. So currently around 2 o'clock the recording is doing on. So the sheet is updating for a live one. So almost we have a 29 stock which triggers, and I hope you understood the stock which is Exide Industries for this month. As of now, it is 103%. That means from our entry, it is 3% higher, but it already moved some high around 20 plus, I think. So I will show you that Exide 250. So you need to understand the concept Exide 250. It is given you the entry on 15.3 where it is happening maybe around in the beginning of this month. So you can see that marking around 15.3. After that 15 point, whenever it broke in on 1st of August itself, and at the same day it went up to 21 and maximum it moves to 23. So this is what our opportunity, and as of now what is exact trading. So as per now, so when the option triggered, so more than 50% increase to stock is almost 12 and 40% is around 18 and 15 20% 30% is around 20 stocks. So after our entry, almost 30% increase the stock is near about 20 stocks. That good enough, and target more than 50% is around 13 stock in a call side. And some of the stocks like trading around 16% from this, we may be facing some of the stocks may trigger your stop loss also. Okay, Cipla, we got it, and still it is trading maybe a liquidity issue. And Federal Bank, I think Federal Bank we are not discussing. And even in this thing, what are the stocks which you are finding? It's a Sun Pharma, sorry, Sun TV, Dixon, REC, GMR, and Lupin. And these are all the stocks I find out in our Tech Chem and even Voltas 52. Those who are watched my live session, they know. So this I remember these stocks which I taken on a the entry which is triggered on our live session. That is another the 9:30 to 10 o'clock. So the daily. And in the put side, we deal with the huge turn and HDFC Bank which we are looking, and that was a huge move, and State Bank of India, BPCL in put side, Indo Petro, Bajaj Auto, Apollo Tire also we are looking. That was given you such a good opportunity around 13 nearby 29.1, and now it is moving as a positional trade. It almost here around 9 stocks and more than 50%. If you are combinedly taking around 50% stock is 13 plus 9, almost 22 stock which given you such a good result. And there maybe some stocks will not moving higher. That means maybe triggered by the gap of opening like that also. But what we looking for only, so monthly trades, so 5 to 10 good stocks is good enough as per this strategy. I'm not going to take all the list of stocks, but if you are following for an intraday or even positional, then you can use for this thing. And if you are really focusing for a short term, so the weekly strategy also be there, the weekly positional. As of now, the temporary, so more than 22 stocks. If you are looking for a 40%, even some stocks it moved higher and then now lower. Look at the Kodak Bank 1880, currently trading 112, 1880. I'll show you how did it move. put option in this case, you can see the maximum is 128. After our breakout, it moves to 128 and then it returned back around 83. Again, it is 112. So what this sheet is showing our entry point and current price. But maybe if you are tracking on a live market, then it can be targeted also more than 50%. I hope you understood how we can plan our target based on our advanced option strategy and also the stop loss or even hedging strategy. One more important, OTM options. So some questions we are asking about OTM option. If you are focusing for a monthly OTM option, you just look at the stock which nearing to the 90%. Okay, so before entry on our ATM, so OTM may be the chances to given in OTM option. So while it is 90%, you can look for OTM option if you are planning for a OTM trading strategy. So you can plan when the stock is nearby 90%. So all the important condition is nothing about liquidity and the quality volume. So this you can filter out and fresh breakout. That should be good enough. And you can focus this one for a positional basis and it will be working for. So this is the video which I'm recording for a back data purpose because it is a real-time sheet. It looks like a scanner and it will be updating automatically. So where we stock your ticket and target and stop loss that you know well, and Lupin also which you are looking 990, 75. And this is a trade which I find out in the live market. So I didn't see that one India Bull Housing Finance because of low liquidity and we removed it. So among 20 stocks, quality 5 to 10 stocks is good enough for monthly basis. And next month, for a month of September, the sheet is going to be changed entirely. September month contract, maybe today or tomorrow morning, that data will be updated here. And also weekly sheet is going to be updated for tomorrow. That will be for only one day. Friday only the weekly sheet will be working for tomorrow's contract. Okay, and don't confuse it. Like intraday trade only you can plan for because the weekend. So if the week is going to be closed and from Monday onwards you will be getting the weekly sheet is going to be updated. Tomorrow also updated. That update is for only one day. And monthly positional. Monthly positional is going to be updated for month of September, maybe today evening and tomorrow evening. Before the market, before live market start, you will be getting exact data for tomorrow's trade. And these are all the opportunity which I'm recording this video for. How many stock which given with the opportunity based on our Google Sheet. So this Google Sheet you can use without advanced strategy also. Maybe you can use your own strategy which you are already using. So the top stock and the first breakout stock, you can apply your own strategy while if you want to take this Google Sheet. The cost for the Google Sheet is around 1200 per month. So if you're really interested, you just contact me the number which shown on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this. And if you have any other questions and doubt, you just ping me here in the chat box. Thank you so much.